அனைவருக்கும் அன்பான இனிய காலை நேர வணக்கத்தை தெரிவிப்பதில் மட்டற்ற மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். என்று நாங்கள் ஒரு வித்தியாசமான ஒரு காணொளியாக கட்டட வேலைகள் நடைபெற்று கொண்டிருக்கோம். அதாவது ரிவர்ஸ் ஹில்ஸ் கவுன்சில் ஏரியாவில் இருக்கிற இந்த இடத்த வந்திருக்கிறோம். இங்கே வந்து நிறைய புதிய டெவலப்மெண்ட்ஸ் நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கு, கட்டட நிர்மாண வேலைகள் நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கு. அந்த வகையில் ஒரு கட்டட நிர்மாண வேலையை பார்ப்பதற்காகவும் அந்த கட்டட வேலைகள் பற்றிய பல்வேறு கருத்துக்களை பகிர்ந்து கொள்வதற்காக இங்கே வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம். இங்கே பாருங்கள், இவ்வளோ பெரிய பெரிய அழகான பாரியளவில் நிர்மாணிக்கப்பட்ட வீடுகள் இருக்குது. இது எல்லாத்தையும் போய் பார்க்க இருக்கிறோம். கூடுதலாக இந்த பதிவானது பல ஆங்கில சொற்றாடல்களும் இருக்கும் என்பதையும் உங்களுக்கு அறிய தருகிறேன். ஐ ஹோப் யூ வில் என்ஜாய் திஸ் recordings. See what a beautiful architecturally built homes here. So I am looking for the house number 23 17. Same. வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். மிகவும் அழகாக
Your destination is on the right.
சரி, இந்த வீட்டை தான் நாங்கள் பார்த்து பார்க்குறோம். டெஸ்டினேஷன் இஸ் ஆன் த ரைட். மிகவும் அழகாக பாரிய அளவில் கட்டப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கும் ஒரு கட்டட தொகுதி. வாங்க உள்ளுக்கு போய் பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இன்றைய காலநிலையும் மிகவும் சிறப்பாக இருக்கிறது. இட்ஸ் பியூட்டிஃபுல் வெதர் as well, right? Not too hot, not too cold. நல்ல ஒரு காலநிலை. வாங்க உள்ளே போய் பார்க்கலாம். சரி, இந்த வீடு ஓரளவுக்கு வேலை முடிந்து விட்டது. சிறப்பாக இருக்கும் ஒரு அழகான காட்சி. வாங்க, இந்த டர்ஃபிங் நல்லா வச்சுருக்குறாங்க. எப்படி போய் பார்க்கலாம் இந்த வீட்டை என்ன நடக்குதுன்றதை பற்றி. உள்ளுக்கு போய் பார்ப்போம். ஸோ இட்ஸ் அண்டர் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன், we all know that one. So we have to be careful. It's a site still under construction. Active site. இதை பார்க்க தெரியுது, 2 வீடுகள் இருப்பது போல் தெரிகிறது. வாங்க நாங்கள் அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டு பார்ப்போம். எனக்கு பார்க்க ஒரு டவுட் தான். இங்கே கராஜ் மாதிரியும் இருக்குது. இட்ஸ் லுக் லைக் கராஜ். அண்ட் வில் கோ அண்ட் சி இன்சைட் என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். வாரங்கள் உள்ளுக்கு போய் பார்க்கலாம். இதில் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு குட்டி ரவுண்ட் அபவுட் மாதிரி ஒன்று போட்டிருக்கிறார். உள்ளுக்கு போய் பார்ப்போம். இட்ஸ் நம்பர், ஐ திங்க் ஐம் இன் த ரைட் லொக்கேஷன். 23. He said 23 is the number. We'll go and see. It's a beautiful மெட்டீரியல் இருக்குது. டாய்லெட்ஸ் வெளியில் வச்சுக்கணும். ஒர்க்கர்ஸுக்கான டாய்லெட்ஸ் இருக்குது, டாய்லெட் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் we go and see, enjoy. So watch this video. If you like it, you can put the like plus press the like button. If you haven't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. We'll put more and more of this type of videos, right? My channel is Sydney Sri channel. We do a lot of Sydney activities like visiting the various places. Not only that, any other places as well. Okay. So a lot of construction work happening. See the staircase, prefabricated steel staircase. We will talk about this. He will explain everything. He's a designer, architect, builder, name it, everything. Then they are contacting. Okay, welcome everyone. We are here in Kellyville. It's a hills area. Hills Council and சொல்ற இடத்தை Hills Council. So this is a building. It's designed by architect Chandrahasan and under construction. It's a contractor as well, construction as well. Hi, how are you, Chandra?
Good. How are you?
Good. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah,
Another project.
After you We met on the Berala house.
Yeah.
Again meeting in another house, which is this is another side. It's more luxury house.
Hmm.
Uh, about $2 million house.
2 million construction
About
cost.
2 million. Yeah,
About
more than 2.5 million.
2.5 million. Expecting it's looking beautiful. Not only this one, even surrounded houses here,
Yeah.
all in the same.
Yeah, this is very exclusive residential area
Hmm.
because this road doesn't connect. This end here is a
Yeah, it's a not through
so
road.
it's only few houses is served by this road, and the other side is a bushland.
Yeah.
So this is a very exclusive residential area.
See,
So
there is a small river as well, isn't it? Creek or something is there.
yeah. Further down is a river. That's why it's called Riverside Way.
Riverside Way.
Oh, of course, it's not the river like what we think. It's a small river.
Small creek sort of
Yeah,
thing.
like a creek, but there's a water running.
Water running there. Waterways. It's look like a waterways.
Yeah.
As a beautiful area.
So that's why this is a very expensive area here. So all these houses you see, all luxury houses.
Yeah, only
all about
people
to-
can build this type of houses here. And maybe in the development control or something, they can have
Yeah,
similar sort of facade, I think.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what
no, they don't control the facade.
Hmm.
But most of the people, because since all these buildings are new houses, they go for a modern contemporary architecture than going for a. Except see, usually the second house is more traditional. So there's no control by the council. It's the people preference going for modern style. So it's not that I decide. It's the owners decide. They want to go for very modern facade and design.
Right. So most of the facades here, it's like, how do you call this facade? Like
This is
square and blocks and.
this is a bit old style, like a federation style or something, but it's not very common in this area. You see only one house. As I see only one house in this stretch, you have this with all traditional style, but all others except this house, all in this street is very modern house.
Yeah, as I said in the beginning, this recording இந்த பதிவானது ஆங்கிலம் தமிழ் இரண்டிலையும் கலந்திருக்கும். மிஸ்டர் சந்திரகாசனை வந்து மிகவும் சிறந்த ஒரு ஆர்கிடெக்ட், இஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அண்ட் வெரி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆர்கிடெக்ட். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நாடக கலையிலையும் மிகவும் சிறப்பாக டைரக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறார். பல நாடகங்களை கூட டைரக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க இல்ல? யூ டிட் லாட் ஆஃப் டிராமாஸ்.
செய்திருக்கோம் ஒரு காலத்துல. இப்பவும் ஒரு நாடகம் போட்டு நான் மகாஜனாவின் ஓல்ட் பாய்ஸ் அவர் பழைய நாடகம் திருப்பி போட்டுறேன். Anyway, architecture.
Yeah, we will come back to the point here. So this, can you tell about this one? So normally, Chandrahasan, you do start from scratch at the marriage. So when someone
like
approach you,
you come to me, I will do everything. Like sketch, design, and consult with council or whatever the other engage consultant, design, lodge, get approval, then start estimating, helping to get a loan. But I don't deal with the bank, but I have to give all the document which help to get the loan. Then start construction, so engage.
So throughout the project, I heard you did a lot of project. I talked to a lot of people. Our customers are very satisfied with your
actually, as
outcomes.
It's not like other company. They do the building, then you have some other things to do, landscape and all. But what we do is except the furniture, we do everything.
Yeah.
You only bring your furniture.
Yeah, and on the way, even today I saw the owner here. You talk to them and you satisfy their requirements.
Actually, recently their parents come from India and they say they love this house.
Definitely, everyone will love this house. It looks so beautiful. So during this design work, so they put owners, they put their input, isn't it?
Yeah,
like
of course, their
selections
requirements are there. They say because the land is sloping upwards and it's a rock actually, so they prefer to have a basement car park. Then if you look at all these other houses, they have the car park on the runway is going up. So instead of that, they want to go another basement level, like a 3 level, to have a garage there. So that is their decision. Then I said, okay.
So this, but this is not a basement car park.
This is basement. If you on the back is basement. Land is going
upward
all the way up. The front is. If you look at the other house, see how much that land going up.
Yeah.
But, we excavate the rock almost at the back about 3 meter. Excavate cut the rock.
So what you are saying is, even though the here from gutter to
it was going up,
then it's go down backside.
No. It's going. The land is going all the way up. So in this garage, originally at the entry point, only a half a meter, land is about half a meter above. At the back, land is about 1 meter. That means we cut 1 meter at the back.
All right. Okay, I got you. So what we are seeing here is not the garage. We have to walk inside.
At the back, yeah.
At the back.
All
is
the
it?
back.
Okay, okay.
Excavated. It took about 3 months to excavate the rock.
Rock excavation is very
Yeah, it's a
expensive
full,
as well. It's
very
not
expensive. It's almost 100,000.
only for the
It took
excavation.
about 3 months to excavate the rock, the whole basement floor.
So earthwork only you spend nearly 200,000 look like.
Yeah, of course.
Earthwork,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, because the land is sloping and also rock. You had to excavate rock.
So 200,000 roughly for the excavation and earthwork and
Yeah, that's right. The
fill,
whole
cut
concrete,
and fill sort of thing, huh?
I know the whole is all double brick concrete. The whole concrete costs about 400,000. The whole basic structure of
Basic
concrete itself, not the brick or anything, only concrete.
Concrete.
The ground floor, first floor, all concrete.
Okay, so can you explain about this design and even selection of this rock material? So it's blending with
No, that is what originally the owners preferred to go
preferred
for.
to go for.
We did a 3D modeling anyway.
Hmm.
Then we did different options and see which one the client prefer. So they like this base all because it's 3 level. When you do 3 level with all rendered, it is too bulky and even now it look very bulky anyway. So to reduce the bulkiness, we make that basement fully rock. So it look like a base. So that's what the rock, and also it goes with the nature. So you don't. It reduces the dominance of the house than having rendered all the way down.
So this finishing eventually it will be like this
No,
concrete
there'll be
driveway.
the tiles on top. These tiles I see in the boxes there.
Oh yeah.
This tile goes on top of the driveway.
Or similar. So okay, this
That
stuff.
we will do after finish all the work. We put this also
like,
like a rock.
okay, same like that ball.
Not that, but square. The same finish, but like a regular square.
Square finish.
pattern.
Okay. So any purpose for this small little
Yeah, that's
roundabout there?
like a water feature.
Water
It's like a
feature.
fountain. Water, you must have seen many houses they have now.
Yeah.
Fountain. And it's like a roundabout. You can go around, drive around.
Yeah, it's a the path is good enough for a car to turn around. Isn't it?
Yes. We worked out to make it a turn within the lot. So
okay.
you don't need to reverse the cars.
Even B double, sorry, even say small rigid vehicle can
Yeah.
get in.
It is to comply with the, it's called, I think you must be knowing the council, not big vehicle, but any big cars.
Any delivery truck can be.
Not delivery truck, you can't turn.
So up to driveway they can go one side.
They can go one side and reverse, but all other cars, standard cars, you can turn around.
Wow, very nice, very nice. So you have very beautiful access path as well here, Ella. So it's like a stepping.
Yeah, we haven't finished the steps. Still, we have the base for the steps, the steel one. We put concrete, and we had to finish the landscaping. It's a step garden like that.
Okay. It's a step-by-step garden, and then you are going to put some sort of
again similar concrete on top of this steel.
like a small retaining wall, so sort of thing.
Yeah, that's the main entry. But if you, any disabled people can go walk garage, and you have a lift there to go up anyway.
All right, that's there. The inside there is a lift to get into the.
Yeah, that's right. You even any people need accessible is accessible house. You can go.
Oh wow!
Through lift.
All right. So we have to be careful because it's a construction site. So beautiful lighting facilities also. You already provided this.
Yeah.
Outlets and conduits were done.
Yeah, all everything worked out.
Well designed. Very good. So how long it takes?
Because of the excavation and the site preparation take about half a year, 6 months. So now it's almost 1.5 years. It's almost finishing in a time maximum 2 months. It will be completed.
So what are the difficulties you find?
The levels, the rock levels, because it's very difficult to work with the levels that comply with the council, because council has the limitation of the height.
Yes.
So we can't go to any height. It's a 9.5 meter maximum. But the land is going slow, and you have to connect the back and front. So that's the most difficult part in a sloping land. I can show you another house similar issues.
Yeah, we will visit many houses. This is one of the house today. So at the moment, how many sites you have, Chandrahasan?
I have about 5 sites now.
5 sites.
5. There are 2 just started, and I have just finished about 3 jobs recently in the last 2 months. They moved in, and I have another active project in the mid level. It's about 3. 3 just started, 2, 3 is to finish. This is like finished. I take this as a finish. I mean, it's only 2 months finished.
So you are almost a busy man. I think always some sort of project going on.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
are you willing to, if people are watching this one, right? I think last time nearly 20,000 people, almost 20 or more people watched this one. So if someone like to approach you,
Yeah, there's no problem. I am always doing that. Always, I never have a website or I never have a propaganda advertisement except
because-
you are doing now.
People come.
Usually word of mouth.
Yeah, word of mouth. sort of
People
thing.
come through other people. So you, as I say, the most important thing is the trust of, oh yes, this person. I say, தமிழ்ல ஒரு நல்ல படம் இது திருக்குறள் இருக்கு. இதனால் இவன் ஆற்றும் என்று ஆய்ந்து அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். இது யார் செய்வான் என்று தெரிஞ்சு வடிவ ஆராய்ச்சி செய்து அவன்கிட்ட கொடுத்து போட்டு அவனை பின்னால் அவனை பிளவிடுவான்னு பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கப்படாது. விடணும். அப்படி
அழகாக.
அப்படி விடைக்க ஐ கேன் டூ குட் திங். ஈவன் திஸ் இந்த கிளைனும் அப்படி தான். அப்போ வைக்கிற கேள்வி இருந்தால் கேள்வி அப்படின்னு பட் தே ட்ரஸ்ட் திஸ் பர்சன் டூ ஹிஸ் பெஸ்ட் இஸ் நாட் ஃபார் மணி. எல்லாரும் அப்படி செய்யல. அது பிஸ்னஸ் ரன் பண்ணுவோம். எனக்கு வந்து 1 man ஷோ. எனக்கு பிஸ்னஸ் என்னதை விட மை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன். எனக்கு இது முடிக்க இது எந்த வீடு
நிச்சயமா அது ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு பெருமை. சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் பில்டர் ஆக்சுவலி, isn't it?
அப்போ அதுக்குரிய சுதந்திரத்தை எனக்கு தந்தா தான் அந்த வீடும் பெட்டராக வரும். நீங்கள் ஒரு நல்ல சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல் ஆகலாம். ஆனால் நீங்கள் எங்கே டவுட் வந்தோ இவர் எதை அப்பளம் விட்டுவிடுவார், நான் கவனமாக இருக்கணும் சிலர் அது நடக்கிறது பொதுவாக. அவையே வந்து இல்லை என்ன இது வேண்டாம் அது வேண்டாம்ட்டு என்னுடைய சிலவளை என்னுடைய ஆலோசனைக்கு அப்பால் above my and they decide certain things.
அது பொதுவாக people make that mistakes, right?
They
engage an architect is like கட்டட கலைஞர்.
என்ன நான் சொல்ல வேண்டாம். if you have anything concern, you raise that concern, raise the issues, but don't give the solution has to come from the architect.
It's same like surgery, right? When you go to the operation theater, you don't
can't tell where to cut and how to
do the
only you can say if you do that I will have some problem, can you look after that? Okay, the same thing in the வீட்டில் நான் ஒரு டிசைன் பண்ணால் இந்த டிசைனில் எப்படி இருக்கிறால எங்களோட டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் it may be not fit என்று சொல்லலாம். And then we will work out how to fit that. But you can't tell us, can you move this wall, then it will work. No, you can't tell. If you do that, I will do that, and you will suffer.
Even I found a lot of people when they buy the house, design a build house or like something project home. Say for example, project home is they put that project home nearly hundreds and 200s of project home. When our people buy that one and make minor changes, it look very bad actually. Project homes.
But actually, project home is not designed for your site and your need. But only you look for a design which is more suitable for you and suitable to the site. But that is not specific, because when we architect design, you design for the site, design for the people. So that is cater for, not only just cater for your requirement, it fit to the site. Like north, where the light, where the video. Say the when you go project home, he is not designed for that. He had the design. That design sometimes fit that. So in the site, my more concern is you have a view here. So I want to exploit this view. That means I want to make sure every area, and the most difficult part is the view is in the front, but living area at the back. How do you connect?
Correct.
That is the issue. But I did that. You can see that out of all these houses, only this house have the view of the bush from the back.
From the back, okay, we'll go
from the back in the living room. You can come and see.
We'll go and see in this one. That's what my question was, right? So this land is very expensive because of these trees.
The
bushland, right? If you put the living room in the back side, no point of buying land here.
But you can come and see how I get the view.
We'll go and see.
You still
and before you get inside,
we have bedroom at the back. You see the bushland.
Okay. So before we go inside, we can ask one question. So other than these council controls and things like that, what are the main other difficulties you find when you build houses like this?
When you build every day is a problem. There are a lot of problems. The
Problems, yeah.
problem solving is that's why you need a builder.
That is a project management.
That's right. That's what the project management means. We don't take it as a problem. We take it as issues.
Challenge.
These are issues. We have to sort it out.
Yeah.
So there are conflicts always with various tradespeople. So the builder, carpenter say, no,
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
brickwork is not good. I can't do this. So then other trade come and say, oh, why you put this? So say the builder job is every day negotiating and settling conflict resolution. So this is what most of the time you go. So if you say what are the problem, every day is a problem.
Yeah, procurement is the problem, and that means you have to get the price from the right people,
That's
like
right.
Tradies and right person,
And get the right
quality of work.
material, right? Because the project management is the three things mainly: yeah? The cost, time, quality.
Quality.
The whole three things.
And plus environmental controls and things.
No,
like
those are all ultimately the house. You say whether it is done within the cost or good price, and the quality is good. Then what other thing? Cost, quality,
Satisfaction.
and the time. Whether it is finished on time or taking years and years. So these three control is the main thing in the thing. So when you are what is the important thing in the project management is you can't get everything perfect.
Yes.
So you have to compromise whether which is important here, time or the quality. Sometimes you say, oh, the owner say, I want the house by in the Tibari. Then you have to compromise sometimes the quality or the cost or whatever. So that's the project management, where you compromise. You can't do 100% everything, quality, cost and time. They say in this client, he is not bothered about the time. They want the best one. Doesn't matter even it delays. But some people is not that way. They have to leave the place.
Yeah, they work out how much rent
They say,
we are
I want
paying
the
and
house
things like
this
that.
date. That is more important. So then you have to compromise sometime the cost, because it will go a little bit more cost because you have to finish it. And I had with the tradesperson, he said, oh, if you pay this much, I can come and finish quickly. So you have to pay.
And coordinating here is like a trade person, which person come in and which person second. That is the main game as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
but once you're used to that, that's like a
you will come
automatic. So like, because my group, they know each other, all tradespeople. They themselves say, call the carpenter now. Or I'm finishing next week. Can you call the carpenter? So
they coordinate themselves.
Sometimes I tell them, you call. So they know each other. That's what my company name is, Innovative Design and Construction Group. It's not me. All these tradespeople are equal to me. It's all depend on them. They also try to achieve the best out of thing. And at the end, they will say, oh, this is what I did the cladding. This is what I did the brickwork. The tiler go, oh, this is what I did.
So your company name is Innovative
Design and Construction Group.
So we can Google and find out about how to
company name, but I don't have a page.
Website. That's okay. That's okay. I will put it in
Innovative
this.
mean I give we are not just go for what is standard today. We want to do the standard for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, innovative.
We want a future copy us, not copying. We copy the others. We try our best, but unfortunately, sometimes client come with some facade and say, "I want this facade." So we try to convince, but sometimes you can't.
Yep, I'll put the phone number, Chandrahasan's phone number in this record, so you can contact Chandrahasan through this one. Okay, I got a lot of positive feedbacks from client. Wherever I go, they say, okay, it's more flexible to work with Chandrahasan.
Yeah.
And he give one of the project I heard, even you started, you have given more authority for the owner to.
Oh yes, of course. Even halfway through, we change the plan. They say, "Oh, I don't like this." All right, okay, we will change it.
And you let them to manage as well some of the project.
If they want that, they can do.
Okay, not like a money crazy man.
No, it's okay. That's the thing that most of the people come to me because they can decide anything. But of course,
so when they come to familiarize with tradies and everything, you give it to them. Okay, you manage now.
You can do that. They do that.
They do that.
Not all the people do. Some people they control the whole thing. Then it's easy for me.
Easy for you.
And only thing they should get my approval, not approval, my satisfaction because I designed this. So they should not spoil the design by. It's sometimes it happens. Sometimes they went
Okay.
overboard.
Okay, let's
want
we
to
go and
go-
see
yeah.
inside. So there are some work going on. What work is going on here now? Gyprox work. Gyprox contractors are here.
This is the
You can
garage.
see it's a garage. It's a garage, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the garage. It's about you can put three
This
cars
is the
here.
garage. So you said excavation, rock excavation.
Yeah, this is all right. This is behind. This is a rock. Behind
So
this wall is a rock.
how we can approach?
You can't go behind.
All right, it's a
This
different.
is only the other level.
Okay, we'll go and see. What is this one?
We call it game room, like
Game
a
room. Okay.
and that's a lift to go up.
All right. So you want to go upstairs or where are you?
We can walk up. The lift is not commissioned yet.
Okay, that's a
Yeah.
lift here. Wow. So okay. So if
Let's go to three levels. Yeah.
All right. If access people that they want to come from garage, same level here, and then they can get to the.
Yeah, and I have one bedroom there and a toilet, bathroom there.
This is for visitors sort of thing.
Yeah, visitors
Oh.
or
Alright, so this is one of the bedroom in the ground floor for visitors, and then see the visitors bathroom.
this is a powder. We call it powder room.
Powder room here.
And this is a storeroom. This is where you can see all the. This is a fully automated house. There's all these. You can see the wires. See the wires here is a fully automated. This is the control like a control room. See here the wires, the hundreds of wires.
Wow. It's like a control room.
Yeah,
sort of thing.
this is a control room.
Control room. All the communication. cables,
Automation and all.
communication power controls.
Automation. It's a fully automated. Every bathroom, doors, lighting, air conditioning, curtain, everything fully with the mobile. You can operate. This is like a computer room and a media room, cinema theater.
So even
everything controlled. Yeah, you say like in the toilet. Yes, you go there, light on. You don't need to turn. Go to the toilet and come. Everything will be done by the.
So who does this electrical circuit design, and you have your.
Yeah, there's a company called Adrit ADR. Is a Sri Lankan Tamil. He's running. Adrit. His name is Murali.
I know him, yeah.
Murali did.
Murali did this one, wow, okay. He did all these designs.
Adroit. His company name is Adroit. ADROITT.
Yeah, Adroit.
Yeah, you can see in the front. He put the signage.
I know him, Adroit. He did a lot of work.
He did the automation. Full automated. The house is fully automated. Everything is in the mobile. You can operate air conditioning, lighting, curtains, even your cinema theater on and off, control lighting.
Murali did this one, huh? Murali, I know him, okay. Good work, Murali. So you can approach Murali as well, Android and Shalini. I saw his advertisement in a lot of places. Even Chemical Engineers Foundation magazine later developed there. Yeah, wow. Level 1. How many levels here? 2.
This is the ground floor. That's where the entry is. A formal living area. You can come here. It's a double height.
Wow. So we have to visit after finishing this.
After finish, you can come and see.
Yeah, I want to come and check again.
This is the formal entry living area.
Wow, this is the entry, main entry.
Yeah.
That staircase will bring.
Yeah, that's where to this door.
Right. So beautiful. I think that's the big door here. See the access under in the staircase. You saw that one.
Yeah, and then you get a study room here.
Yeah.
It's a study room.
Study room here.
Have the view of the pool.
Wow, there is a swimming pool as well. Look at this. And it's a lighting motor there. Here, can I boil a lot of painting work. Painting work தமிழாக்கள்கிட்ட கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க.
பெரும்பாலான வேலைகள் தமிழ் தான். அதிகமான வேலைகள் இந்த முன்னு கிளாடிங், இந்த பிளாக்காக இருக்கிற கிளாடிங்கள் அதெல்லாம் எப்படின்னு பார்த்தா லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் டெக்குகள் போட்டு எல்லாம் தமிழ். இந்த டைலிங், இந்த பூல் அதுவும் தமிழா.
தமிழா ஆறாள் என்ன பேர் இருக்கு புல் டைலிங்?
வேற விட என்னால் வருது இல்லை.
ரைட்டு.
தமிழாக்கள்.
ஓகே, வெரி குட். வாழ்த்துக்கள். இங்கே பாருங்க, நல்ல இது சீலிங் நல்லா இருக்கு. என்ன ஹாய் சீலிங் கொண்டு போட்டுக்கிறீங்க? ஏன்னா இந்த இடம் நல்ல வடிவாக இருக்கு. என்ன நல்ல உயரம். அதில்
முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் தெரியும் என்ன லைட்
சான்லியர்ஸ் மாதிரி போட போகிறீங்க.
இது வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் சான்லியர்ஸ் ஃபார் 2 months.
2 months கமிங் ஃப்ரம் சைனா or somewhere. நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்ல ஒரு. இதுக்குள்ளே என்ன இருக்குது? இங்கே பக்கம் கிரவுண்டில்
இதில் ஒரு பெட்ரூம் இருக்குது. இதெல்லாம் பவுடர் ரூம், உண்மையான பவுடர் ரூம் இதுதான். இது மீடியா ரூம், இது லாக் பண்ணியிருக்கு. இந்த பக்கம் மீடியா, இதில் ஒரு இதான் கெஸ்ட் பெட்ரூம்.
ரைட். இது அப்போ முதல்ல அங்கால காட்டுனது அங்காலையும் ஒரு ரூம்.
ஒரு பேஸ்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள பெட்ரூம்.
இங்கே பார்த்தீங்களா?
அது வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்லி டிஸ்அசோசியேட் வித் த ஹவுஸ்.
இதில் இருந்து தான் வருது. இப்போ இதில் அந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸில் ஏறி நாங்கள் நிற்கிற இடத்த அப்படி வந்து சேரலாம். அதான் மெயின் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் மாதிரி. ஏன்னா ஆக்கள் காரில் வாராக்கள் விசிட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் பெறணும். என்ன விசிட்டர்ஸ் அதால் வருவினும்
இல்லை இயலாதாக கராஜுக்கு போயும் பெறலாம்.
கராஜுக்குள்ள போயும் பெறலாம். கராஜ்
ஐ மீன் இவ்வளோ உயரத்து நடக்கலாம்னா இது பவுடர் ரூம்.
So as you said, the construction cost alone 2.5 million, something like that.
Yeah, because if you look at these tiles,
wow,
these are all specially designed and printed for this house. So that's why it costs a lot.
Yeah.
You see the joints are no zero joints, like all printed for this.
Yeah, it's like no grout filling or anything.
Yeah. And see, this is continue this. So this is all printed for this.
Yeah. So beautiful. So Android Murali அவர் தந்த ஆட்களையே அனுப்புவாராக எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ஒர்க்குக்கு. Murali. Electrical work.
Electrical and
design and
automation.
Installation.
Everything. Anyway, he's Lona. He's doing some YouTube. Yeah.
So my house is featured there.
Yeah.
You want to talk to something about him?
Yeah, you can talk. He was recording.
What should I say?
What do you think about the house?
He's just too brilliant.
Hi, congratulations. Can you say your name? You like to say your name?
Yeah, my name is Shifali, and this beautiful house that we're building, courtesy Chandrahasan the builder, the mastermind behind this design as well, and I think he's doing a brilliant job.
Thank you very much. But congratulations. It's a beautiful area. Yeah, it's looking very good. I think definitely we will come and record some other day after finishing the work as well.
That'll be a
I know
pleasure.
Chandrahasan for a long time. He's doing a beautiful job for community, and it's more and more construction happening now. Yeah, you like to say anything about client?
One of the best client who allowed me to do what I think is good, and like that's why I say the success of the project is depend on the client
As well.
how they cooperate with the architect and how they trust the architect and not just a builder, I'm an architect and work with that. So she is one of the best client I have.
Yeah.
They work with me. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
No problems.
Okay.
Our pleasure.
Congratulations. Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's so beautiful. See this side,
This is the
swimming pool. Do we have access here? Yeah. Wow. See, look at this beautiful swimming pool. It's look like a small spa here, isn't it?
Spa, yeah.
Spa here,
And
then
then the pool there.
pool there, pool access, staircase.
Actually, the pool is in the middle of the house, so you can see from front and see from the back door.
Yeah, it's a water view from top everywhere.
And also
Especially in the night time.
I want to get the light also because the light is mostly in the front. That's why if I put at the back, you won't get any light. So that's why I want get some light here.
The focus light there.
No, the sunlight. Because
Sunlight. Yeah.
Sun is mostly on this side. So for instance, if I put this pool back, pool will never get the light. That's why I put in the middle. So through this area, you get the light here.
So it's a good thing you are the sloping down as well, like I think 2.5 meters roughly. 2.5 meters, 2 meters, more than 2 meters deep.
Yeah, it's not finished. There's a waterfall here. And so we are just working on that. Is the final part of.
Yeah, you got this concreting system. What is this one called?
No, the densil wall.
Densil wall.
Or dry wall.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
The whole
wall.
building is built with that.
It saves a lot of foam work, isn't it?
Foam work and the waterproof because no water. So other concrete can water.
Yeah,
you have to have
it's a waterproofing.
So here you don't need water.
Yeah, you can
It's
leave that
exactly-
one as it is. and only the grouting for the.
Only the bottom joint you have to do some waterproof. So if you do this for basement, all I did this with. But if you do with
all
the block,
these swimming pool walls,
Yeah.
Densil wall. Huh?
yes.
Walls is
So,
wow, good. So this is one. If someone new to this Densil wall, you must have heard about this one. Is one benefit is waterproofing.
And
Other one is no
the
need
formwork
to put
is-
formwork. It's
is-
already there.
a
Reinforcement.
little bit more expensive than doing with the block and all that. But the block, you had to waterproof and so many issues there. So additionally, a little bit more cost, but it saves other things.
So reinforcement you can push through these
Yeah.
walls.
The reinforcement is here, through here, and through here. Vertically goes this way,
Yeah.
horizontally goes this way.
Goes through this one. Yeah, you have enough space there.
Yeah.
It's a bars, not the mesh. You have to put the bars.
Bars. Yeah.
Bars in. Yeah.
Yeah, this is
sure.
very strong. It's more stronger than blocks and more, the waterproof than any other construction blocks or concrete.
ம். வாங்க அப்படியே மேலே போய் பார்ப்போம். So we are talking about this beautiful house. It's a big.
Living area.
Hi, how are you? Wow, what is
the
this one?
family.
It's a theater,
This is the family room.
family room. So this is the kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kitchen. And then you have a fan
Unbelievable,
here.
huh?
And see the lift landing in front of the kitchen.
So the lift coming up to this level.
Yeah.
Oh, up as well,
You're going to
going all the way to next level also. This all designed by Murali. Lift and
No, lift is another company.
Another
Actually, the company person who did is also Jaffna boy. Installed by a Jaffna boy.
Jaffna boy. Okay. So beautiful house. See, look at this. See the ceiling, unbelievable.
So the lighting not finished, but we had to see after that.
Looking good, right? So definitely we will do another recording
This
when it
outdoor
comes to
first
finish
floor.
level.
And we are working on the landscape.
How many people going to live this house?
4 or 5 people.
5 people. I don't know
But
how.
actually, number of room is not. It's only 5 bedroom, but only big spaces and big living spaces. So like this deck again. This is done by Henry's other Tamil boys.
In the timber decking,
It's all did,
landscaping, huh?
and this ceiling all did by Tamil boys. It's not gyprock. It's called CFC, compressed fiber cement,
Yeah.
and with metal lining.
Mm.
So this is and all this done. So this is a city. It will have a roof later, like a nice.
You are going to have a roof here.
Yeah, like because otherwise privacy is not there. You can see the neighbor.
All right. Okay.
So it's
Because
going to
of-
be a roof like this curve.
Curve one. Okay.
That's all I designed, and we had to fix this. And this is what I say. From here, you can see through the window. You see the.
Wow. Yes. Even from here you can see the.
It's not clean now. If you clean all the windows with all the.
Yeah.
covering,
After construction,
you
finish
can see through here your backyard.
backyard that
bushland.
trees and bushland. Even from here we can see, isn't it? Even from here we have enough space here.
Yeah. But if you go to the bedroom, you can see directly.
Wow. We go and
They
see.
have balcony for each bedroom.
So retaining wall. You have a retaining wall here as
These are
well.
all there's subdivision people did that. Not
They
our
did.
work. Only we did this.
You did this one.
So
This
this
one.
had
How
to-
deep is this retaining
This
wall?
also we didn't densil, but now we will cover with some cladding, some timber look cladding here. This is like a planter box.
Planter boxes
Yeah,
here.
it's a
Oh,
planter
wow.
box cladding, and then it will be all grass.
Very interesting. That is. What is this one? This one you were saying.
That's the laundry, and outside this is where you put this bin and other thing.
Right.
Like a service area. That's the laundry door. So from the laundry you come out here. There's small storage here, and we have the what do you call hot water unit and all this. This is like a service area.
வாங்க மேலே போய் பார்ப்போம். உண்மையிலேயே மெசிவான ஒரு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். ஸோ ஐ திங்க் திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் யுவர் லார்ஜஸ்ட் பிகஸ்ட்
Actually, this is the largest one.
ப்ராஜெக்ட்னு சொல்லலாம்ல.
But I'm going to do another one almost similar, but that's in a 2.5 acres land.
Where is that one around here?
That is in Penrith area.
Penrith area.
That's going to be the next big one.
Bigger than this one.
Yeah, because it's 2.5 acres land.
So how many square meters this one?
This one about 900 square meters.
900. 900 square meters. Fairly big land here. சரி வாங்க அடுத்த லெவலில் போய் பார்ப்போம். இதுக்குள்ள ஒவ்வொன்றும் இதான் நீங்க சொன்ன லாண்ட்ரி அதுகள் இருக்கு.
பவுடர் ரூம் அங்கே லாண்ட்ரி.
ரைட். அடுத்த லெவல் இன்னொரு லெவல் இருக்கு, அதையும் போய் பார்ப்போம். இது பாருங்க மேசிவ் கிச்சன். இதுல சாதாரணமாக என்னென்று தான் வீட்டில் உள்ளத்தையும் 4 பேர்.
And also pantry there, babe. Another kitchen there. If you come here, kitchen, you have a nice deck area. If you want, you can sit there and have your dine, or here, or there. And this is another, like we call dirty kitchen. Indian usually call dirty kitchen. That is this one.
பொரிக்கிற கொள்றா அதுக்கு வச்சு பொரிக்கிற மாதிரி.
Yeah, you have a cooktop.
ஸ்மெல் அதுகளா கவனம். It's well done, Chandrahasan. It's a massive. We are proud of your achievements, right?
If you look at this, you see how I split that. You have a courtyard here where the pool, another courtyard here.
So in the சொல்லுங்க.
That helped me when you go up, the windows facing the bushland, because that break this. So it's only a small corridor. Split the house into 2 with spaces that connect back upper floors to the bushland.
So this is basically which community background owner is this one? Is like Indian or Sri Lankan?
Indian.
Wow. So the other big one, Pendrith one?
They're all Indian.
Wow.
I think 90% of our clients are Indian.
Because they are the one.
And I have now Chinese also.
Wow. So it's very. So I think it's imagination. Your imagination. I know as a drama creator, you do a lot of imagination.
That's called architects anyway. But
it's a. How long it takes you to get this visualizing? All these things take a lot of time, isn't it?
No. Actually, design takes time, but what the concept comes right away.
Straight away. Okay.
When you look at the site levels and all that, views and all.
So you do okay.
It may come in 3 hours.
3 hours.
To work out that take a lot of time.
So at that time you get client input over.
Yeah. No, not concept. The client doesn't say anything. Then I give this concept. Do it in a couple of days and send them. If you are conceptually okay,
Yes.
I will proceed to detail.
Right. So இதுல regular economy, it's a construction site, as we all know. Right. வாங்க உள்ளுக்கு போய் பார்ப்போம். So wow, there is a look at this view. So there's going to be a handrails definitely.
Yeah, there's a
handrails going to be here.
and this
See
is
another steps here.
Yeah, because this is the problem. I want to avoid this, but I couldn't. This is the level because the
expect this one.
limit of the height, total height.
Wow.
So this is the master bedroom.
This is the only access here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Access to here.
Come here. This is the master bed.
Wow, see the master bedroom. Beautiful master bedroom. Looking this
Which has the front view of the bushland.
bushland நேரடியா பார்க்கக்கூடிய ஒரு.
You can open.
Wow, look at this. Bushland, it's worth it, see? Wow. Superb view. Well done, Chandrahasan. நான் உள்ளுக்கு வரைக்கும் எதிர்பார்க்க இல்லை. I didn't expect it's going to be this big, right? So that landscaping will be something similar to that one.
Yeah,
similar to that level, maybe more
we
better.
are working on that similar.
It's more better with these water features and other stuff here. Wow.
The driveway take a lot of space because they have the roundabout. What is left for landscape is not much.
So that's what I think maybe owner wanted as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Because first thing they said they want a round. So this is the wardrobe, maybe ladies' wardrobe and the gents' wardrobe. And then the on-sheet.
So I hope you will be enjoying doing this job, isn't it?
Yeah, of course, it's enjoy. It's like when you do drama also. We have a lot of issues, a lot of problems. People don't come on time. People don't, a lot of issues. Same thing. You have a lot of issues, but every day when you come, this is growing and coming up. You enjoy. See.
When you solve that issue, then you start to get the satisfaction.
Even if I no one working here, I always come every day and see and get better idea what to do this. Think about myself, because that is the benefit. Because I'm an architect as well, not the builder. If a builder and architect different, architect doesn't know what is happening here. The builder do that. Builder doesn't have any vision. His job is only to build what is the architect done. But in my case, it is I'm both.
Both.
So when the building up, when I feel something which doesn't look nice, the next day I talk to the owner. I want to change this because I don't like.
It's like an ongoing live design and live, which is good.
Then with the owner,
So because otherwise, if you go back to the architect, it's a lot of
Yeah, that's
variation.
right.
Variations come.
variation, and he will not concentrate on this. He will just to ask something, quickly do something because he
and
is
time consuming as well.
not only that, he doesn't involve in the building.
Building, yeah.
His job is finished.
So because you are here every day.
But I involve in that. No?
Yeah.
Because he is not get the benefit of that unless he is employed for supervision for the construction period. But for a big building, of course, architect involved throughout. But in a house building, no one can afford to get the architect to involve throughout the construction. They get the design, oh, thank you, then go to the builder. So architect have no involvement in that. But if you take a commercial big building, architect involved because he is engaged during construction. Then he will every week, because I worked in a big company where every week we have site meeting, discuss issues, sort it out, and come back in the office, work out alternative and all that. That's what I do here. But the house, if the builder is not an architect, that process is missing. So you just build at what design there, whether it is some fault or there's a chance of making better by make a small change is not possible with the builder.
Yeah.
Because the architect builder say no, I can't change anything because this is what I approved.
Come, we'll have a look. Another level as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Careful here.
And there's another bedroom here. This is also a nice bedroom.
Wow, look at this.
And this is just a corridor just to walk through.
மதன மாளிகையாம் மந்திர மாளிகையாம்
This is another bedroom. I have some. It's again I have the views and I want to have.
ராணிக்காக கட்டப்பட்ட இந்த மாளிகை.
எனக்காக கட்டப்பட்ட மாளிகை.
மிகவும் அழகா இருக்கு.
This is another ensuite. Every bathroom, every bedroom have a bath, ensuite and the walk-in wardrobe. And you can have another 2 bedrooms. It's not very big.
இதுக்கு ஃபேன் போட்டுக்கிறீங்கல்ல?
Yeah, because they want the fan.
Fan one more at least.
Every room has the fan. Every room.
Good.
So then you go up.
இது நாங்கள் கீழே இருந்து பார்த்தனாக்கள் நல்ல ஹை சீலிங். இதில் வேறு இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கு.
You can come up here.
So it's almost 5 levels here, isn't it? 5, 6 levels.
Yeah, small tall, but it's only 3 levels. So this is where the lift land, the last level.
Wow.
And this is a big game room, or again like a rumble, so you can play here and all that, big one. And have a balcony facing the pool.
அந்த லேடி வந்து அவ ஒரு டைரக்ட் பண்ற ட்ரேடிங் அந்த ஃப்ரீடத்தை நீங்க கொடுக்குறீங்களா? அதுதான் நீங்க கஸ்டமர்ஸ் விரும்புறது அதுதான்.
My work is
directly talking to the
trade person. Trade person.
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah.
Lot of the
otherwise you have to tell the builder forgot to tell.
Okay, don't come enter until you stay and all that.
That's right.
And
they don't.
Look,
by law, actually, I should also not allow, but I do.
Yes, but you are allowing with the safety concern.
No, that's why they come to me.
Yeah, exactly. They need, right? They come and talk to us, which is they have some satisfaction.
This is what I say.
Finally, they know, right? Every stage they know we were
what is happening, and they also enjoy coming and seeing and also see any issues.
There is no any hidden part.
You come and end and come and say, oh, why this is there, why that is there. You will straight away do at the time of doing.
Correct. It makes easy for you.
Yeah.
Not only that, it's they get satisfaction.
For them also good because
so for example, if they said, okay, I don't want here, I want somewhere here.
Yeah, that's right.
Straight away they can say
small thing.
That's small thing. That's what they
want. But if you come after, you can't change it because builder say, oh, that's not a small job. You have to cut the whole thing and do. But if you do now, you can cut. After paying, then you have to pay the whole.
உண்மையிலே அது ஒரு freedom னு சொல்றாங்க. இந்த Chandrahasan, you give that freedom to client,
right.
which is
because it is their house ultimately.
They are the one going to live it.
I say even the back room have a balcony overlooking the pool and overlooking the bushland, but you
Bushland
are far
view.
back in the room.
Even through here, you can see the swimming pool and everything. So,
And you see the other room, same thing. You have a balcony. Yeah, you can see the bushland.
another level here.
You see the bushland through
Wow.
between building,
Yes.
and now you have a deck there with the dining area.
Yes.
Yeah, you can.
Yes. You go and see here. You look at this.
You have a deck
That's why
down
I'm
there. You can
walking people.
you can talk to them when someone having had dinner here or lunch here. They have a nice panels, and it's some more detail to be done.
It's a greenhouse as well, isn't it? A lot of
Yeah.
open areas.
A lot of ventilation.
Sun-
You don't need you don't need a fan. I mean, you don't
Yeah.
need.
Yeah, even
You feel this is not. You don't need much energy.
energy. And you have solar.
And we have
solar-
full solar panel. It's
solar.
about I think 15 kilowatts solar panel.
Same like that one. The
Yeah.
house. Yeah. It's good. Well done. What is this one here?
This also every room has a bathroom and powder room.
Wow. So lucky owner
Yeah.
to find the right builder, designer, right?
Yeah.
Freedom for them as well. I hope they will live happily in this house.
Yeah.
So beautiful. You can see from here bushland.
Yeah, you can see even from the back the whole.
All bushland here. Yep.
It like visually, you can see that even in a very dull day where no sun, you get the light here. You don't feel like you are enclosed area. Every room you see get plenty of light. You don't need to put the light in the daytime at all. Every room.
Okay.
You see that now. See, so not much light, but you see everywhere the light is there. Ground floor or first floor, there's no limit of light.
So we almost come to the top level now.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, that's
Thanks
all.
very much.
That's all.
Really appreciate it. Almost 1 hour we talk about this project.
Yeah.
We will come
If
back
you have
again.
time, I can show you just outside one house. In
Yeah,
just
we'll go.
2 minutes.
We'll give another 10 minutes. So people, you are watching. Really, it's a nice. See that owner is that one. She's got a lot of freedom here. She can walk and talk to tradies and wherever. Their input during the construction,
Oh, yeah.
which is a great thing. You are giving opportunity for them to
Yeah.
come and give their input, make the decision on their house, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Which is very great thing to do, right? Well done, Chandrahasan. Keep it up. வாங்க கீழே உண்டே காட்டுங்க, நீங்க கீழே காட்டப்படுன்னு சொன்னீங்க.
Okay, thank you. We'll go to.
ஓரளவுக்கு நாங்கள் we are almost come to the end. We talk about nearly 1 hour. Still we can keep talking. So congratulations, வாழ்த்துக்கள் Chandrahasan and the owner, whoever involved in this project. Well done. It's a great job. We all are proud of your achievement, Chandrahasan.
Yeah.
It looks like still we are somewhere in the open space or like park or somewhere. அந்த அளவுக்கு லைட் இருக்குது, open space இருக்குது, சூப்பரா இருக்கு. It's a very well done project. One of your, the biggest project in சொல்லலாமா?
The largest project.
Project.
Maybe this is the largest project at the moment. Hopefully, I will get more, but at the moment, this is the largest budget-wise.
Yep. Okay. Finally, you like to say anything about this project or any future project or any anyone?
Know everything. I say that this is my very. I give very importance for the lights inside. So this one I achieve the maximum. Whenever I come here, I feel inside. I always feel I'm outside. And owner also said the same thing.
Yeah, that's a great thing actually, as a satisfaction.
Yeah.
Right, we can see the
That's the most beauty of this house is feel outside and inside. What we call is interpenetrating external space into internal space. You don't feel the separation of internal and external. It feels is very what you call naturally connected, and that's the beauty of this building.
Thank you very much. We'll take outside. We'll go and finish it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are nearly come to end of this recording. Congratulations, Chandrahasan. You've done a beautiful job. I think it will take another 6 months or 4 months to finish completely.
Hopefully 2 months maximum.
2 months, you think? Okay,
Finish.
2 months
All the
max.
people are here now. You see the people are working.
Yeah,
And
Yeah.
actually some more trade people didn't come today because of the raining, but most probably 2 months they are moving. There may be small work left over, but they can move in.
Yep. வாழ்த்துக்கள், congratulations. People, those who are watching here, I'll put Chandrahasan's contact number. Please feel free to contact him. As you can, I think you heard about the feedback from the owner. It's very flexible. When you engage Chandrahasan to design, architect design and build this final product will be, as he mentioned, quality wise, time, cost, everything will be up to your satisfaction. We can guarantee that one, Ella, with the past customers' feedback.
Yeah.
Because I do this thing, I know a lot of Chandrahasan's previous clients, customers. They're very satisfied. Really appreciated Chandrahasan. We all are proud of your achievements, right? It's not easy when you migrate here and learn a lot of things and building house like this, houses like this for or countries like Australia. Congratulations, Chandrahasan. You want to say a few words about?
Okay, thank you for interviewing me and exposing me. I'm not planning to. Actually, it's okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind. But I had to thank you for let other people also knows, because I don't have any. As I said, I don't have any web page or anything. It's all word of mouth. So maybe your video will help other people to know me. So that's
Exactly. That's not only that one. I wanted to bring success of our community man, right? Yeah, as a part of the Sri Lankan community.
And as I say, the most important thing, the relationship between the owner and the builder or architect.
Architect.
So that's what make my life happy. Otherwise, most of the builders go stress and have a lot of physical problem because of that stress. That's very common for all the builders. But I never had that because I have a good relationship, and hopefully that will continue until I finish.
Yep. Thank you very much. Thanks very much, Chandrahasan. உங்களோட ஒரு ஷாட் நானும் எடுத்து விடுறேன். ஓகே, அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி, வணக்கம். மீண்டும் இன்னொரு பதிவில் சந்திப்போம். அதுவரைக்கும் உங்களிடமிருந்து அன்பு வணக்கங்களை கூறி விடைபெற்றுக் கொள்வது ஸ்ரீதரன் திருநாக்கரசு, சந்திரஹாசன், அழகையா, அழகரத்னம், சந்திரஹாசனம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம். வணக்கம். நான் காட்டுற வீடு மாதிரி இங்க வேற
பாருங்க, இதுதான். This is access to this house. Beautiful houses in this street. It's called Riverside Way. Boken Mills, Kellyville அந்த ஏரியாவில் இருக்குது. நார்த் Kellyville என்ற இடம். நிறைய வீடுகள், நல்ல வடிவான வீடுகள் கட்டப்பட்டிருக்கு. இதில் ஒரு சைட் சந்திரஹாசன் 2 சைட் செய்திருக்கிறார். So we are going to see the next one now. Next side. நல்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்ல ஒரு க்ளீனான இடங்கள். என்ன எது உங்களோட சைட்? இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஹவுஸும் இப்போ வாங்குறேன்னா நினைக்கிறேன் 4 million 5 million கிட்ட வருமா நினைக்கிறேன். 5.15 இந்த ஒரு ஹவுஸஸும் இதுக்குள்ளே வாங்குறேன்னா 5 million.
இந்த வீடும் அடுத்த வீடும் இது
இந்த ஹவுஸும் அடுத்ததும். சரி, வாழ்த்துக்கள் சந்திரஹாசன். நம்பர் 13 வந்து 13 and 15 சந்திரஹாசனுடைய ப்ராடக்ட், design and built by Chandrahasan. So congratulations, வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
அது இப்போ கட்டி கொண்டு நம்பர் 50 அது இந்த அதில் பார்த்தோன்னா பிடிப்பீங்க. எது வித்தியாசமான வீடாக இருக்கோ அதுதான்
ரைட். இந்த இருக்கிறார். இதில் ஒரு வித்தியாசமான ஒரு டிசைனில் சந்திரஹாசன் கட்டிக்கிறார். மற்றதெல்லாம் ஒன்றா இருக்குது. இது ஒரு வித்தியாசமாக கிளாஸ் ஹவுஸ் மாதிரி நல்ல க்ரீனாயும் வா ரஸ்டிக் இது மாதிரி என்ன இட்ஸ் லுக்கிங் ஸோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்.
இந்த ஸ்லைடிங்கும் தமிழ் படிக்கலாம்.
வெரி நைஸ். So beautiful work. And again, densil concrete here, isn't it?
Yeah, then because it's going 4-level house.
Wow.
Because the land is, see how steep is going.
Yeah. இதுவும் ஒரு அருமையான ஒரு வீடு உண்டு, நல்லா இருக்கு. வாழ்த்துக்கள் சந்திரஹாசன். இதை நாங்கள் திரும்ப இன்னொரு நாளைக்கு பிடிக்கணும் போல இருக்கு. வந்து இன்னொரு நாளைக்கு இது முடியட்டும், ஜிப்ரோக்ஸ் முடிய. வாழ்த்துக்கள், சூப்பரான இடம். என்ன இதுவும் நல்ல ஒரு பின்னுக்கு நல்ல கிரீன் வியூஸ். என்ன இது? ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் டென்சில். வாவ், சூப்பர். This is completely different view actually, isn't it? It's an opening area here. It's a void கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. இது வந்து இட்ஸ் a beauty என்னடா, இட்ஸ் a matching with the environment. இல்ல என்வாயரன்மெண்டோட மேட்ச் பண்ணக்கூடிய மாதிரி கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. Yeah, I know. Beautiful land and backside. So he did the design to match this blend with the environment. இல்ல நிறைய டென்சில் கான்கிரீட் ஒர்க் நடந்திருக்கு. நான் இதுக்கு ஐ ஹேவ் டு புட் another பதிவு இதுக்கு. வாவ், சூப்பர்.
And you have a balcony.
நல்ல ஒரு கிரீன் ஏரியா. ஓகே சந்திரஹாசன், இதில் இல்லை ஒரு படமடப்பம். Okay. Thank you, Chandrahasan, bringing me to this site as well. It's a beautiful backyard, bushland. Nalloru house. So, who's this one also client?
Yeah. This client never come here. I designed.
You did.
No involvement of the client at all.
Okay. It's a very satisfied, another satisfied client. Thanks very much. Thank you very much taking me here. We will do another recording when it comes to finishing level. என்ன இன்னொரு நாளைக்கு வந்து வா. அப்படியே விட பாருங்க, களை விட்டா சரி. என்ன
டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்கு சிமெண்ட்கள்
இருக்கிற மாதிரியா? ஓகே. So this is how it's going to be. Wow, that's beautiful. அவைக்கு நல்ல புஷ் பார்க்கக்கூடிய மாதிரி இருக்குமே. என்ன இங்கெல்லாம் நல்ல புஷ் லேண்டோட வியூஸ் இருக்குது. அது இது இந்த இடத்த பிடிக்கிறதுக்கும் ஒரு டைப் நாட்கள் தான் பெறவானும். என்ன
முதல் அங்க ஒரு வீடு கட்டினான். அதோட கனெக்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஆள்ல இருந்தே மற்றாள் வண்டி தெரிஞ்ச வண்டி கொண்டு
வரீங்க.
அடுத்த பக்கத்து சைட்டு நான் டிசைன் பண்ணேன். நான் கட்ட இல்லை, தொடங்க இல்லை. இந்த இதுவும் நான் டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பக்கத்துக்கு வேக்கண்டா. இப்போ இந்த சர்க்கியூட்லேயே நான் 5 வீடு
கட்டி போடுங்க. அவைக்கு
3 கட்டியாச்சு. இது 4வது, அடுத்தது அது 5வது.
Well done, Chandrahasan. There's a lot of things happening. See the பாத்தீங்களா, நல்ல வடிவா பிரிச்சு போட்டுருக்கு.
மாஸ்டர் பெட்ரூம் இது முடியாமல் பார்க்க தெரியாது.
இது நல்லா இருக்கு. இப்படி இந்த கட்டத்திலே பார்க்கறதும் ஒரு சந்தோஷம். It's look good to see people, they know how the building houses in Australia.
காட்டுறோம், கொஞ்சம் கவனமா இருக்கும். அது ஸ்டெப்ஸ் கான்கிரீட் போட இல்லை,
கான்கிரீட் இருக்கு.
ஒட்டி அதில் பிடிச்சி ஒன்றாம் வரும். இதுல பாருங்க, இதுதான் என்ட்ரன்ஸ். என்ட்ரு பண்ண உடனே புஷ்லேண்ட்
தெரியுது. என்ன
இதெல்லாம் அடுத்தியலண்டா ஒரே கிளாஸ்
தெரியுமா? அப்படியே முழுக்க தெரியும். என்ட்ரு பண்ண உடனே பின்னுக்கு
இதில் கீழே போனா தான் லிவிங் ரூம். இது ஹோம் தியேட்டர். இந்த லிஃப்ட் கனெக்ட் பண்ணது
இதுல லிஃப்ட்டும் இருக்குல்ல.
இது இஸ் கனெக்டிங் அந்த கீழே இன்னொரு பேஸ்மெண்ட் கீழே இருக்கு.
ரைட்.
பேஸ்மெண்ட்ல பார் தான்.
இப்போ அநேகமான எல்லா இப்படியான வீடுகளுக்கும் லிஃப்ட் போடணும். என்ன அதே பில்டிங்
4 லெவல்ண்டா கஷ்டம் தான்.
So it's a compulsory council requirement.
இல்ல அப்படி பெரும்பாலும் 4 லெவல். இதான் என்ன லிவிங் ரூம். இதுல பாருங்க அப்போ
Look at this living
இது
room.
வந்து ஃபுல் ஓப்பன் விண்டோ தான்.
கான்கிரீட் நல்ல ஸ்லாப் திக்னஸ் நல்ல
ஒயிட் கிளாஸ்
பெரிய ஒரு திக்னஸ்ல போட்டுக்கிறீங்க 400 300 மில்லிமீட்டர் என்ன ஸோ 250 மில்லிமீட்டர்.
இதெல்லாம் அந்த கான்கிரீட் அப்படியே விட்டுறோம் எக்ஸ்போஸ். நோ சீலிங். இது முழுக்க நேச்சுரல்.
ஸோ இதுக்கு கொலம்ஸ் எங்கே வச்சுக்கிறீங்க கான்கிரீட் எங்கே சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிடுறோம்?
இது பிரிக்ல சப்போர்ட் பிரிக்ல
தானே.
இப்போ இதெல்லாம் அப்படியே இருக்கும் கான்கிரீட். நோ சீலிங்,
நோ மோர் ஃபினிஷிங், தட்ஸ் இட்.
அவ்வளவுதான். இதுல சில இருக்கும்.
தட் இஸ் இட்.
இது கிச்சன்
அது ஒரு நல்ல வளகா இருக்கும் உண்மையிலே.
கபோர்டுகள் வரும். அப்ப அது இந்த பிரிக்க மறைச்சு போடும்.
ரைட்.
அப்ப இது கிச்சன் அண்ட் பேண்ட்ரி. அங்கால ஒரு பேண்ட்ரி இருக்கு. இது அல்ஃப்ரெஸ்கோ. இதுதான் இந்த அல்ஃப்ரெஸ்கோ. என்ன பூல் தான். இதில் ஒரு பூல் இருக்கு, சின்ன
பூலும் இருக்குது. இதுல மேலுக்கு
பெரிய பூல் இல்லை, இதுல இதோட
மேலுக்கு வச்சுக்கிறீங்க பூல்.
இதே லெவல்ல இருக்கு. பெண்ணுக்கு ஒரு இது வந்து கிராஸ் ஏரியா. அது ஒரு ரம்பஸ் இருக்கு.
வாவ், சூப்பர் 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 சந்திரஹாசன்.
இந்த வீடு 5.15 மில்லியன் போகும். 5.15
மில்லியன் போயிருக்கு. sold decently. So this will come same price or more. It will be more than that, I think, once complete.
This is more luxury. Look, no. Even outside நீங்க பார்த்தா இந்த விட முப்படை
வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு.
This is architect.
6.5.
அது வந்து ஒரு டிராஸ்மேன் டிசைன். அது வெள்ளக்காரன். அவன் வெள்ளக்காரனோட ஆர்கிடெக்ட்னு போகிறது. ஆனால் ஆக்சுவலி he doesn't know how to design. அவனை கொண்டு டிசைன் பண்ண. இது வந்து ஆர்கிடெக்ட் டிசைன் பண்ண. That's a different. நான் ஆக்களை கண்டம் பண்ணாண்டில்லை. ஆனால் அவைக்கு வெள்ளக்காரனோன்னா அவைக்கு தெரியாது. அவர் ஆர்கிடெக்ட் இல்லையாண்டதே தெரியாது. வெள்ளை அதை ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Draft person. So what the difference is, the draft person draw what you ask. So he never put his input because he is not an architect. But an architect usually he initiate design and he don't just draw what you ask.
Yeah.
So unless it is it really gives some architecture to the building. Yeah. That is the problem. If you look at most of the building, say I don't want to condemn that, but the house levels, the next door to next door, is horrible. You can look at in the front. They don't respect the size slope of the land, and they have a pool. You have to go from your. You can't see that he spent about $200,000 pool, which you can't see unless you go down all the way there. This next door, this other house.
Yeah, it's not an architect design.
Why he? Unfortunately, the owner is Sri Lankan. They got the wrong person, and they spend a lot of money.
எங்கள்ட்ட கையில் ஒரு சாமான் இருக்கீங்களா, அதை பற்றி அதோட வேல்யூ
அவன் தெரியாது என்ன, அது வேற விஷயம். ஆனால் ஒரு ஆர்கிடெக்ட போயிருக்கணும். அவன் என்ன unfortunately what happened is they go to a builder, the builder gets someone to design, and then because they don't know, most of the people, mostly Asian people, they don't know they have to go first to architect. So they go to the builder, and builder recommend someone. So this is the problem. They don't know that. But actually people who know, they go first architect, especially in this area. I'm not talking that there's normal standard, not anyone can design, that's not a problem. But a difficult side, like the difference between the front and back of these areas side level is about 6 meters.
6 meters. So
6 meters front to back. How difficult to work out to connect the backyard and connect the front.
Correct.
So unless you are professional, the draftsman can't design. That's what I say. This house from the alfresco, they had to go about 7, 8 or more than that step to the pool. And from the alfresco, he can't see the pool at all. They spend about 200,000 in the pool, but he can't see that unless you go down. So because they don't know how to connect that.
Correct.
The land. So
it's a lot of thinking there, a lot of design, and it's not
especially in a slope land.
Yeah, it's
you have to
numbers.
be very careful.
It's like a number game.
Because this house, I took about 6 months to design. Change, and say how, because the land also not rectangle. The front is 10 meter, back is 30 meter. So it's going like an angle fan shape. So this is very difficult to do. So that's what it takes a lot of time. and a lot of negotiation with the council as well.
Yeah.
Then ultimately, with
Came up very good finishing as well. I love this finishing
yeah,
color.
the main thing is I
It's,
want to connect every room to the backyard.
Backyard.
Every room is connected except the garage.
Thank you very much. Really appreciated for your time, Chandrahasan.
Okay.
We talked a lot of things today. Definitely, it will benefit for our customers, right? Whoever watching, sorry, you can directly contact Chandrahasan.
Yeah.
I will put his telephone number. If you want any advice on your new home, you can talk to Chandrahasan. Definitely, you will feel satisfaction.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much. Bye bye.